Hi all of you, Neetu Singh from Direction IAS. We are done with our prelims, we have done with our analysis of performance, we have checked, counter-checked the key, and now it is surely the time that we get on to our main preparation. 16th September 2022, you will have the beginning of your main examination. So countdown in real sense have already begun. You have done what you could do. Now, in place of waiting for the result, it's very clearly advisable that let us tie our seat belts and make our move towards the hopeful case that will be writing main this year. This has been a very proud year for me as a geography teacher, because result of geography, as I said in the earlier interaction of ours also, have been not just re-establishing the evergreen nature of this optional. It has also given us a reminder of the fact that it doesn't come up with shortcut. You have to continuously build on what you have learned as basic concept, as basic perspective of the study of geography. There is an immense requirement for you to develop your own perspective, your own take, your own examples, case studies in the answer writing. So here I am, as always, right there to help you out in your attainment of the dream job with geography as your optional. The test series that we have planned out, targeting the upcoming main examination, is very different from what has been the conventional trend. With the result of 2021 examination in front of us, we have understood that as integration is the key to score better in geography optional, and scoring better in geography optional surely going to help you in the 2 papers of general studies, is the reason that the 4+7 tests that we have planned out for the upcoming test series program is having 4 tests that are sectional tests and 7 of them are comprehensive tests. That means the only test series which will give you maximum number of comprehensive tests, because that is what is desired for you to not just timely revise your syllabus but also develop the perspective of interlinking physical human geography, paper 1, paper 2, and concepts that are conventional with the dynamic aspects of the case studies or examples. So our test series will be incorporating 5 tests in month of July. Now, in order to help you out with the pace of preparation, the 2 sectional tests, that is section A of paper 1 and then section B of paper 1, will be the first 2 tests that you'll attempt. Once you are done with that sectional categories of the test, then you will be attempting 3 following comprehensive tests of paper 1. So if I go with the month divide, you will be attempting 5 tests in month of July and the following test in month of August and September. You will be free by first week of September. With the first 2 sectional tests and the following 3 comprehensive tests of paper 1, you will be done with your revision of paper 1. And when I say you will be done with the revision of your paper 1, I strongly want to insist that you will be done with your answer writing skill development, diagram making, content enrichment, and very importantly, the defined mentorship that I'll be providing you as 1:1 cases. After attempting these tests, that is 2 sectional tests and the 3 comprehensive tests for paper 1, will swing to our paper 2 requirement. There again, you will be attempting 2 sectional tests. Now, I don't have paper 2 divided into sections, so we take the division in accordance to our syllabus, which helps us in comprehending the syllabus well and integrating the things well. So we take first 5 topics as our first sectional test, namely physical setting, resources, agriculture, industry, trade, transport, and the following 5 topics, namely cultural setting, settlement geography, regional planning, political aspect, and contemporary issues as our 2 categories of sectional test. After attempting these 2 sectional tests, you will be attempting 4, and I repeat, 4 comprehensive tests for paper 2. The comprehensive test for paper 2 is one extra additional compared to paper 1, because with paper 2 we try to take the integration of the concepts that we learn, whether of physical geography or of human geography of paper 1, and we'll try to attempt it that way. Details of the syllabus will soon be releasing, but as I say that maximum 7 tests is comprehensive. You can easily understand it is going to give you a much holistic perspective of your preparation. Mention of test series program is never over without mentioning how exactly you will be given the feedback. So as I have been always doing, your answer sheet will be evaluated by me. As I evaluate your answer sheet and provide you with the detailed bullet points, case studies, diagrams to the model answer, absolutely what is called a customized sort of model answer, which I can say will act as your ready frame of notes. You will have those model answers with case studies and diagrams, and you will have your attempted answer sheet where I'll be giving you the feedback as what was the important points that you have enhanced, you have written it very well, or what are the important things that you have missed out or you have not given due representation to it. Because until and unless you judge at every level that this is the test you have attempted and the nature of questions that you encountered, you attempted it the way you felt that it was the best that I can do, and now you are getting the feedback which is not as per your expectation. So you have time to work on it and improve over. Because I have been a very clear vocal supporter that our optional is such that you certainly cannot bind yourself to a static frame of answer. Every question in your question paper requires a different strategy of answer writing. Of course, when it comes to preparation and revision, the bottom line remains that I need to be aware of every topic mentioned in my syllabus. I need to have the very well prepared notes for every topic mentioned in my syllabus. I need to have the customized series of diagrams for every topic mentioned in my syllabus. That is definitely there. But when you are attempting test series and you are eyeing the upcoming main examination, then we are not talking about notes. Then we are talking about our answer writing skills enhancement, are ready to recall fact. Because in examination hall, the only challenging thing that we experience is a lack of time. So in test series, you are not just revising your content, you are not just enhancing your writing skills, you are basically testing your time management approach also. And if these 3 things are done, then I don't think that there is any reason why we won't be in the position of scoring better. I mean, you need to understand that I have prepared my content completely. Where I am lacking? I am lacking in number 1, comprehending the asked question. Number 2, framing up the appropriate answer. Number 3, integrating case studies. Number 4, integrating diagrams. And number 5, making all this happen in the stipulated time. And here comes writing practice program that we call test series program. And when I talk about test series program right here with me, it's the mentorship that involves me only. And why do I emphasize on that? Because when you try to judge your performance, you need to be judged by the individual who has got certain level of experience. And that judgment surely helps you. And that helping hand have been proven time and again. I can justify, I can promise, I can acknowledge that the hard work that you people have been doing on the direction that I have been advising you is the reason that you are successful. I don't claim your success to be mine. I'm just a supportive hand. And that supportive hand is not just there for you to build up on your content, but also how to manage your time, how to inculcate the case study, how to inculcate the diagram. And that is the reason this customized test series will give you an upper edge compared to your competitors, because you will be handling, you will be highlighting, you will be incorporating comprehensive test the more. And comprehensive test will give you a clear perspective of what is the interrelation that you need to be very swift with. You know, my objective is that by the end of 5-6 tests of the 11 tests, you develop the confidence that as soon as you are reading the question, the mental frame of answer has evolved. Number one. Number two, by the time you are done with your test series, you have developed the confidence that yes, I have got the very defined series of case studies and the diagrams that I can easily integrate. Because what happens in an examination hall is that we waste our time, and I repeat, we waste our time knowingly, unknowingly in framing up of the answer, thinking what diagram I was supposed to make, thinking what is the case study that I should inculcate. And mind it, when I talk about diagram drawing, it's no necessity that every time you have to draw map of world or map of India. Take case example. You are supposedly talking about the cotton textile centers shifting towards south. Why should I draw the complete map of India? Can I not easily draw the peninsular part of India to show up the location to prove my point? That regional perspective in diagram making and that regional perspective in examples is what is the true meaning of case studies. And that is what we will be grooming on. So it is very sincerely advised that all of you take a note of the schedule that we have planned out with 7 comprehensive tests and 4 sectional tests. Paper 1 to be completed first, followed on by paper 2, with a very clear account of individual specific mentorship, helping you in a full glide towards your optional geography preparation. And feather in the cap, silver lining, bottom line, it is surely going to help you in your general studies, paper 1 and 3, for sure. It is not to be said. Time and again, our question paper have proved that because I am prepared very well with my geography optional, I have saved my time to the tune of 300, 350 marks in general studies that we are by default silently highlighting, catering. So I welcome all of you. Details of the test series and the link regarding the important information is attached with this video. Please take note of it, take a rational decision and come on board. We together will repeat what has been the success case of geography optional and of course Direction IAS with Neetu Singh. Bye-bye. Take care.